In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front bumper impact absorber bar on a Toyota Corolla. This is located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Before we begin, we're going to locate our battery on the driver's side of the engine bay and disconnect our negative battery terminal. With a 10mm loosen the nut. Once it's loose, pull it up and set it aside. We're going to move on to the front bumper and locate these three 10mm bolts, holding it down to the upper portion of the vehicle. Remove these, one in the middle, and set these aside. Pull the front portion out. We're going to make our way under the vehicle and remove 8 10mm bolts. There would be one on this corner, but ours is missing. And 2 more on these corners. Moving on to the corner of each bumper, we're going to locate these 2 clips holding the fender liners down. To separate them, just pull them apart. On the upper corner, we're going to locate this Phillips head screw and remove it. Repeat these steps for the other side. With all fasteners removed from our bumper, we're going to pull each corner away from the vehicle and remove the bumper. Now pull it away from the vehicle. Now before we fully remove it, we're going to disconnect this electrical connector that goes to our front sensor. Use some pliers to remove it. Push down on the tab and slide it out. Set it aside. With our front bumper out of the way, we're going to remove our impact absorber foam. Just pull it away from the vehicle. On top of the bar, we're going to follow this harness and remove this plastic clip using a trim tool. Set it aside. To remove our front bumper impact absorber bar, on each side there are 4 14mm bolts. Go ahead and remove those. If these do end up spinning, support the backside with a 16mm wrench. Remove the top bolt with some pliers. And repeat this for the other side. And there it is. Now to install our front bumper reinforcement bar. Align the studs on the brackets with the holes on the bar. Slide it in. And hand thread on your bolts on each side. Now snug them down in an alternating pattern, starting at the top left. Bottom right. bottom left, and top right. I'll torque these down to 36 foot-pounds in the same order. Repeat this for the other side. Reinstall the harness and its clip. Put it into place and push down. And reinstall your foam. Line up the tabs and push it into place. Now to reinstall our bumper. We're going to mount it on the vehicle and secure the clips. Mount the top first, follow the sides, and secure the sides as well. Resecure your three 10mm top fasteners, starting with the screws on the corners. Snug these down. The bolt in the middle, snug this down as well. And our last screw. We're going to move on to the vehicle and reinstall our 6 10mm fasteners. Starting at the corners, just snug these down. We're going to reinstall our screw on the corner of the bumper and thread it on and snug it down. Reinstall your fender liner clips, just push them in. Same for the bottom one. Repeat this for the other side. We're going to resecure our negative battery terminal, slide it over the post, and snug down the 10mm nut. Make sure it's secure.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.